In today's video, I'm going to teach you 5 hidden Miro features that feel like magic. Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions. If your boards ever feel messy or slow to manage, these tips will help you clean up, analyze, and build faster with almost no effort. We'll move through 5 features, explain why they're useful, and show exactly how to use them so you can save time and keep your team aligned. First up is Auto Layout, the instant tidy up button. When you've got a pile of sticky notes or shapes scattered everywhere, select them all and look for the small layout icon with 4 dots in the context menu. Click it, and Miro will automatically align and space everything into a clean grid or stack. It's perfect after a brainstorm, when structure matters. If the result isn't quite what you wanted, just undo, refine your selection, and try again. You'll get a neat, readable layout in seconds. Next is Miro Assist for AI clustering and summarization. After workshops, it can be overwhelming to process hundreds of notes. Select your stickies, click the Miro Assist star icon, and choose Cluster by Theme to group related ideas automatically. You can also choose Summarize to get concise overviews and suggested titles for each cluster. This reduces noise and surfaces patterns quickly, so you can move from raw input to clear insights without manual sorting. You can always edit the cluster titles to match your team's language. Another time saver is turning text descriptions into diagrams. Instead of creating shapes and arrows from scratch, open Miro Assist and choose the option to generate a mind map or flowchart from a text prompt. Describe what you need, like a customer onboarding flow with specific steps, and Miro will build the initial structure for you. From there, you can drag things around, rename steps, and add details. It's a fast way to go from idea to an editable diagram. Now let's talk about synced project views. Manage your data once and use it everywhere. When you're working with tables or cards, find the view switcher in the top bar. You can switch the same information into a Kanban board, a timeline or Gantt style view, or keep it as a table. Any update you make in one view updates all others automatically, so teams get the format they prefer without duplicating work. Finally, try Alt or Option plus Drag for instant duplication. Select any object, hold Alt on Windows or Option on Mac, and drag to create a perfectly positioned copy. It's faster than copy and paste and keeps formatting consistent. Practice these 5 features, and your boards will feel cleaner, smarter, and much faster to build. If this tutorial helped you, give the video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.